people on Earthwalks are constantly in the walk, participating with the natural world the whole time. Whether you're in the city or out here, there's always the natural world accompanying us. So there's that sense of joy and delight, a deeper love for nature. And then a sense of reverence and respect for the natural world and its communities. We'll be looking at some leadership techniques and tips all the way through the day, as well as having a chance to design our own Earthwalk for our own groups. I'm Jon Cree, and I'm an international trainer for the Institute for Earth Education. There's lots of sensory-based activities with all 5 senses plus that inner sense of how do we connect our inside with the outside, with nature. You'll be participating in a couple of walks and experiencing some of the new and some of the old favourites, and how do you blend these together. We are part and parcel of nature wherever we are on the planet.